Imagine starting as an intern and ending up as the CEO of one of the world's largest retailers. That's exactly what happened to Michael Fiddelke, the incoming CEO of Target, a $44 billion retail giant. His journey from a summer intern to the top executive position is a testament to the potential of internships to launch remarkable careers. Fiddelke, who will take over from Brian Cornell on February 1, 2025, began his Target journey 2 decades ago in the finance department. Despite the common perception of internships as mundane tasks like fetching coffee, Fiddelke's experience was anything but ordinary. He quickly fell in love with the fast-paced environment and the people at Target, realizing early on that he was well suited for the retail industry. But here's where it gets controversial. While many Gen Z professionals are known for their frequent job hopping, Fiddelke's story suggests a different approach. He stayed loyal to Target, growing with the company and taking on various roles across merchandising, finance, operations, and human resources. His dedication paid off, leading him to the positions of CFO and COO, and ultimately the CEO role. Reflecting on his journey, Fiddelke admits that he never could have predicted his path. As I started my Target career as an intern, I never anticipated or even imagined the path my career would take, he wrote in a recent LinkedIn post. This sentiment is crucial for young professionals to understand. Where you start is rarely where you finish. Fiddelke's work ethic and resilience were shaped long before his corporate career. Growing up on a small farm in Iowa, he learned the value of hard work and perseverance. His family farmed beef, sheep, corn, and soybeans, and later ventured into running a liquor store and Super 8 hotels. These experiences instilled in him a strong foundation that would serve him well in his future endeavors. After studying engineering at the University of Iowa and working as a consultant at Deloitte, Fiddelke pursued an MBA from Northwestern. It was during his business school days that he secured the pivotal summer internship at Target, which marked the beginning of his ascent in the retail world. The incoming CEO offers valuable advice to Gen Z interns, emphasizing the importance of curiosity, feedback, and making meaningful connections. Be relentlessly curious. Slow down and ask questions. Embrace feedback, and make the most of the moment by making connections at Target and with your fellow interns, he wrote in a LinkedIn post. Fiddelke understands the pressure young professionals face to have everything figured out by 18. And he encourages flexibility and adaptability. Your career, your passions, and even your goals will evolve. Make the best decisions you can with what you know now. Stay flexible and give yourself permission to adjust as you go, he advised. Fiddelke also stresses the importance of kindness and curiosity in the workplace. In a fast-moving world that often feels divided, kindness is nourishing, he said. This advice is particularly relevant given the common perception of Gen Z as difficult to work with. By being kind and curious, young professionals can stand out and succeed. Fiddelke's rise to the top is not unique. Other CEOs have also climbed the ranks from the bottom up. Juvencio Maestu, who will become IKEA's new CEO in November, started as a store manager in Spain in 2001. Similarly, Walmart CEO Doug McMillon began unloading trailers for $6.50 an hour at age 17. Pano Cristil, the CEO, is loyalty to a single company still a viable strategy in today's rapidly changing job market? Share your thoughts in the comments below.